Yes, people. So I've got this 2019 Audi A7 with me, which is in for a rewrap of a few panels. The client unfortunately was in an accident. He's had the bodywork fixed and resprayed, and now I'm here to wrap it. So we've had quite a few panels resprayed on this, so the front bumper, wing, doors. First of all, so you can see around the handle you've got gouges as if it's been pried out with a screwdriver. This door is meant to be fresh paint and resprayed. When I've gone to take the door handle off, there's normally a screw here that you can release and the door handle all comes off. But these guys, they've obviously lost the original screw and they've replaced it with this 10mm bolt. I don't really know how I'm gonna get that off. The mirror wasn't even removed. Can you see that over there? There's probably going to be a nice cut mark all the way around that mirror. There's overspray in multiple areas. Over here you've got dust inside the paint. It's all over the whole panel. There's more over here. The paint itself is just literally peeling off just by cleaning the edges. I've literally run my finger along this edge and the paint's just lifting. But yeah, let's get it started. I'm in the process of removing the door card. What I've noticed, someone stuck a screwdriver in there, something too hard, and tried to pry it away, and you can see it caused damage to one of the panels. The way I do it is like that. That's come off pretty loose, and what I'm assuming is there's going to be a few clips that are broken on this trim. Yeah, so you got, there's one broken here, another one broken there, another one over here. You can also see straight away these bungs are missing. See right at the back, there's the original screw, the one that's been replaced by this big bolt. I've got the screw, managed to get it with a magnet. It looks like I've sorted the door handle situation. I've put in the right screw that goes in there. Anyway, that part of it is done. Now it's onto the mirror and stripping the rest of the car. So you can see on the mirror plenty of overspray. It wasn't removed when the door was getting painted. Around the door itself there's a line of where the new paint meets the old paint. I need to remove the trims of this door as well. In my entire life of working on cars, I've not seen paint this appalling. Like, it's not even, the panel's not even been prepped. The paint doesn't have adhesion to the panel. So when the wrap sticks onto it, obviously it's gonna pull up paint. Look at this. Absolutely shocking. It's gonna be all here as well. There we go. It's lifted up paint in multiple areas and it's just not viable to wrap over it in this condition. So I've spoken to the client and he's agreed that I should go ahead and sand it. Now when I'm sanding it, I'm not a body shop, so it's by no means going to make it perfect, but it will just smooth out the edges a little bit. You might see some variations here and there, but it's still going to look loads better than how it is now. The wing area is prepped, so I'm just gonna rewrap the wing. So the wing's done. Over here, if you see right where my thumb is, there's some dust which is underneath the paint. There's nothing I could have done about that. So this is the area that I sanded. If you pay really close attention, you can see imperfections where there's dips. I mean, you've got to look really hard for this sort of stuff. Right over in this area here, there's a line going just here. Anyway, yeah, so that's the wing done. I'm gonna just do some inlays on the front bumper and then just knock out the front bumper. When you put this in, you should hear a click. That is a bumper fitted. Super. Sweet, so next, smash the alloys back on. Wrong hole. It's on a very low setting. That's the front end done, and tomorrow when I come in I do want to just knock out this whole side, 2 door side skirts, put the mirror back in, door handles, window trims, or all of that stuff. So the car's now done. I can't lie, this car's not been fun. I'm gonna just show it to you. There it is. It is a really nice looking car. It's just a shame that it's had poor workmanship going to it before I've even got my hands on it. The panels are all replaced, which needed to be replaced. The wrap itself, it's not really something that I would be happy about. If it was all my fault, I wouldn't really put out work like this. But if you look inside here, there's all dust inside the paintwork. I mean, what am I supposed to do? Sand the whole quarter panel and the doors and the side skirts? The guy's just paid for a paint job, and he hasn't got time to go back to the paint guy and get him to rectify all the work and probably damage more hardware on the car as well, because there was quite a bit of damage on the car as well. This handle, for a start, was... oh, where do I start? Anyway, he has some paint lifted up over here as well, but I've just had to leave that. There's not much else I can do. There's more dust all along this area. Don't know if the camera's going to pick it up. Overspray over there, overspray over there, and then the wing area is not too bad. You can see, if you look really closely, there's like ripples in the paint, but you've really got to catch it in the right light. It's very, very difficult to see, but it is there, and I will be telling the client about it. He's well aware what was going to happen. Yeah, so happy days. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it was insightful and you get to know what goes on behind the scenes. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one.